This is Rhodz B and Big T's Productions. I've got the hiccups. And I'm drunk. What should we vlog about? I don't know. I can't even see right now.
Guys, are you okay with me,
Yeah, we'll go with you. Emily is very, very drunk right now. And I've got the hiccups. I can't figure out how to like turn the camera back around. I look like a child. No, you don't look like a child. Oh, she looked like a child, man. Baby, how do I like make the camera turn around like on the other side? I don't think you can whilst you're already videoing. Oh. Sorry about that. Oh, I keep hiccuping. What's the remedy for hiccups? It will be tapping just in between your rib cage. Can you hold it for a bit? Okay. So we're gonna fix Taz's hiccups by doing this. Tapping. That tickles, Johnny. And then you just hold your breath. Hold your breath. You just spat all over me. Right, okay, let's carry on tapping your diaphragm. Drilling into a lung. It's not meant to be your lungs, it's meant to be a diaphragm. It's meant to be a diaphragm. Come on. Douche. I'm still hiccuping. Just hold your breath. Drink some more. Drink some more alcohol. Yeah. Drink some more alcohol. This is the remedy to hiccups. Drink more crop juice. Yeah! 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 Oh, I really want to get rid of these hiccups. Like, shall we stop recording? Yeah. Emily. Bye-bye.